This is Brittany.
And they're in my room. And first I want to show you this.
So,
In my favorite. What's that?
okay, so we made a mistake today, actually, Milo.
What?
So, as a vegan, always read the labels. Don't get too comfortable. This isn't vegan. Has honey in it. I know. I'm upset too. Today's main event is Vigo red beans and rice. It's affordable. You can find it probably in any grocery store, and it's just pretty awesome, especially when you add in these ingredients. This is how we do it. We add in a can of black beans, and I highly recommend buying one of these strainers so you can rinse out your beans when you're camping. Then we also add a can of diced fire roasted tomatoes. Then we add about 3 smallish yellow potatoes. Can you show what you like to eat?
Doritos.
Doritos. So that's what you like to eat it with. And those are vegan. So that's a really special thing that the guys really like. I'm gonna probably eat mine with tortillas that we're gonna put over the fire. So we're gonna make burritos. And then we
I don't want a burrito. I hate them.
You know, Milo.
So I'm not having it.
And then we have some avocados.
Then we have some salsa.
And we also have some limes.
And some corn.
And some corn we'll also put over the fire. So we're gonna chop up these potatoes and get everything ready to throw in the pot, and I'll see you in a few minutes. I didn't mean to make you say. Why don't you show Dad your river and your dam and your lake?
I always show him.
No, show him on the camera. Show the YouTube. Okay, show your YouTube friends. Show Maddie and who else watches? Robert, Aiden. They all watch your videos. You can show Alicia, Chad, Lance, Thelma. They all watch.
There is a dam, kinda, but the water that keeps falling down. The water kinda go around. So over here, but I don't know how it. But I try to make it down, but it dirt won't go up.
First thing we're gonna do is add 3.5 cups of water. And then we're gonna want to bring that water to a boil, and then we'll add the next ingredient. The water is boiling. I'm gonna add in this.
Oh, I did it! With you guys. I did it. And one dot, you did push it in.
And I'm gonna give it a good stir before I add in the other ingredients, because sometimes it'll be like the seasoning mix will be in a big clump, and you kind of just wanna mush it down and mix it in good. Alright, I'm gonna add in black beans, diced tomatoes,
You make me asking about what I
add in the potatoes.
And what is this, guys? I made it like, and I put a light on. Is it cool?
So it says to let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes and cover it. But I'm going to check on this often because it can tend to stick to the bottom. So you just want to stir it and make sure it doesn't stick, I guess. But, I'm sorry.
perfect. Not hot or anything.
Perfect.
Yeah, you have to be vegan one day.